All right, guys, so you've almost made it to the end of 2018. I feel like we're almost ready to the end of the program. So what's next in 2019? Let's see if you agree with these 19 things to anticipate. This is based on a poll that we did here amongst our team and amongst people at our
So we go from
TVJ
19
facility.
to 1 or from 1 to 19?
Going from 1. Start at number 1.
Start at number
Most
1?
highly anticipated would be, we hear people say, Buju Banton's first concert, which we understand to be happening in March. So, here in Jamaica.
That me here too.
So ticket prices circulating and so on and so forth, but I don't know if any of that is correct yet. So we do know the concert is on. The details, I guess, we'll hear. It's going to be happening at the
National
stadium. And already I hear people saying them don't know if the stadium can hold the volume of people.
The stadium hold
35,000, 33,000.
32 or 33,000.
Right. So where is Big Stadium?
Eh?
What's a banner hold?
About 12.
Oh.
I remember Savannah have a whole lot of the private boxes.
Yeah.
The corporate
But
boxes.
there is nowhere else that it could have been. Yeah. Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium, maybe, but that place is under.
You keep some place.
Catherine Hall.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Something like that. Second one, Reggae Girlz scoring goals at the Women's World Cup in France in June or July. Well, I tell you, say just the fact that they are there is something to look forward to. I don't care them scoring.
Score a goal or no.
And they're in, boy, they hear about tough zone. This year one, they don't easy at all.
But they seem very determined.
Yes,
so
man.
it's going to be exciting to see how they try to chip away.
Everybody say, well, it's Italy and it's Brazil and it's Australia. But we'll beat Australia. Well, hello, Australia ranked number 6 in the world. Italy ranked number 20-something. Italy is a better chance to beat. But we're going to fix them up. We're going to fix up Brazil too. Remember me told you.
All right, next one we understand from folks around here is that they're anticipating the RJRGleaner Sportsman and Sportswoman of the Year announcement. That happens in January.
Actually, if you know the criteria, I think it's probably pretty easy to work.
Is it?
Yeah.
What do you think it's going to be?
I think Alia should win again. I mean, I don't think she on her side.
You don't think with the Reggae Girlz achievement that any of them will come into contention, serious contention?
Okay, that would be more of a team thing as an individual.
Okay.
So I think Alia will have it, and the men probably. I mean,
Jason.
Dakers.
Is it
Frederick Dakers.
Oh, Frederick.
Again, this is my opinion, going by the criteria that they used to, to decide.
Show me the sport again.
Eh? What do you call that? Discus.
Shoe.
Yeah,
okay.
Discus. Yeah.
All right.
It's also you do it, you spin around and go.
It's a little more like what Prince is doing, and a little less.
I'm sitting.
Okay. The solar eclipses. One in July. One supposed to happen in December.
Question. Why would I be looking forward to that? Please?
What?
Why?
Because they don't happen very often, and it's something that you can.
And then what happens?
You saw it. You can say you saw it.
It's a heavenly marvel, my producer suggests. Eh?
Well, yes, but.
Well, it don't necessarily tickle my fancy.
Okay. It's true.
It's true,
you're red undergarment, why I can't get tickled.
The single-use plastic bag ban in January is number 5.
People are looking forward to that?
No.
I don't really sure. It's going to take a lot of rethinking, guys, but I think
looking forward and anticipating, my producer suggests, would be 2 different things. So
they're looking forward with anticipation.
Yeah.
So it may not be the same, but it certainly is not mutually exclusive.
Number 6.
Champs. And more particularly says this list, whether Calabar and Edwin will make it 7 and 5 years in a row, respectively.
Yeah.
So
Casey
that's March as
suggesting
well.
that because they win Marine Cup for the first time in 32 years, they go win champs this year.
Who says that, Casey?
You know, they won for I think it's either 14 or 16 years straight.
Yeah.
But they haven't won for about 10 years straight.
Well,
Number 7.
This year. The end to the road construction in the corporate area and St. Catherine.
Anticipate, look forward, want it happen. Hopefully it will tomorrow. No,
you and everybody else.
Number 8.
Really? The movie release of Avengers, Endgame in April? And the live-action reboot of The Lion King in July, yes, I can see that.
I'm not looking forward to any of those.
Look at that star cast, man. That is going to be a movie, let me tell you.
We met Danny Glover, didn't we?
We did. We interviewed him here on
Actually,
Smile.
I pictured me and Master Dan.
Yeah. All right. All the holidays.
Oh, no, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
What's he said, Caddy? Oh, so this is not Danny Glover, this is Donald Glover. Who is two different people?
Oh.
Is what you are suggesting? Yeah. Oh. Donald is his son?
I know he was where I asked that, you know.
Number 9.
All of the holidays.
Yay!
Why are you yaying? Never, we don't get holidays.
I know what I'm looking for.
I don't know what you're looking for. We still have to come here. We're an essential service. But for the folks who get in the holidays, yeah, we're happy for you.
This year I'm taking a week off. So I've never taken anything off in my life, but this year I take a week off.
Who's going to take a week off? You?
Hmm?
You're taking a week off?
Next year, I'll take a week off. I'm going to have a week left in that area.
All right, you do that.
World Champions in Doha, Qatar in September. I'm looking forward to that.
Certainly.
Because we haven't had one for a couple of years.
This is true.
So
it's every 3, right? Or every
2017.
Every
2 years.
Every 2 years.
So 2017 was the last one.
Boy, I know some people who are planning parties and all sorts of celebrations for the return of the Game of Thrones season finale in April.
What is the Game of Thrones? Is what, a movie? Is what?
More like a movement.
Is
a
what,
series.
Yes,
yes.
Never seen it. Don't know.
I've never seen it either, but I know about it.
Oh, you know about it?
The world knows about it.
Well, obviously,
I think you are the only.
If me and you don't see it, it's not that important to the world. Remember me told you. I am telling you that. If we don't see it and we know what's happening in the world, it's not that important.
No, I think I know what's happening in the world. I'm not sure you.
Yeah.
Yours.
We're looking forward to the winner of the Reggae Grammy category in February. Etana is the first female in 20 years to be nominated.
That's exciting.
Black Uhuru, Ziggy Marley, Protege, and Sting and Shaggy. Not Sting and Shaggy.
Sting and Shaggy together. Okay.
Who do you think will win?
I'm going to say, based on history, I'm going to say Amari's going to take it home.
Ziggy Marley.
Although I think Sting and Shaggy have a good chance, actually.
Now we're Etana.
All right.
Number
that
13.
would be lovely.
Yeah.
But I'm just going
we
based on
get
history.
We get the Grammy. Just there's something. The Grammy is something you don't get money and thing and.
No.
Just the Grammy thing.
The recognition.
Oh. So me I do the recognition.
I mean, it's a big deal, you know.
So I can just walk into the supermarket, hold it up and say, 10 cases of beer and some Hennessy, we win Grammy.
You'd probably get it. You'd probably get Hennessy delivered to your yard for free. Who will take home the trophy for the 50th Schools Challenge quiz?
I'm looking forward to that.
I'm looking forward to just the 50th stage.
Yeah, and I know who will take home the trophy.
Who's going to take home
STGC, Ad Majorum
No, they don't
Dei
mean
Gloria.
come and take it up and go back to school with it, you know. I mean, like,
We've
go
won it,
through the
we've won
rounds.
it, you know. George is one of the schools to have won.
When was the last time George's won?
In the 60s, 70s, 80s. That's all.
So you're saying you think this is the year that you're going to...
We win everything, you know. We win champs, you know. Right? We win champs twice. 1934 and 98. I think champs was the Nepal Knutsford Boulevard. We don't think we're in
Wow, Nev.
Stadium.
All right. Well, you know what? You keep that fighting spirit.
Yep.
People are also looking for, I bet I can tell you who'll give you this one. Yeah. The progress that's going to take place, hopefully, for some folks in the cannabis industry.
Yeah.
Looking to see what we do with...
Did I tell you that me and Ferran in business?
I was really thinking medical marijuana, but I think you're thinking a different type of marijuana. We're going to work it up. The outcome of PEP, which is stressing many teachers and students.
Maybe we are the only people looking for. I don't think these parents and kids looking forward to this PEP thing. Okay, they're anticipating again. Will the states of emergency and zones of special operations continue or end? Well, we know a couple will end next week. For
Because
sure.
the opposition has withdrawn, have withdrawn their support.
A couple of them, not all. I think.
So that's a done deal? Or it's still on the table?
No, apparently they said it ends next week. There's one close to where we are here.
Yeah, I know.
So, wow, that's a strange one. That's a strange one. I mean, yeah, I understand.
People argue either way
rights
and feel strongly either
I
way.
understand rights and stuff, but that's a strange one. The resignation or impeachment of Donald Trump. Well, remember me tell you that man never win back, but you can't go on. Donald Trump going to be president for life. No, I know me can't get over. Oh, this man is the president of anything in life. Eh? The great Sir Donald.
Watch your face.
Sir Donald win. Sir Donald is the #1 president in the history of presidents.
Is NIDS going to be rolled out in 2019? We will see.
You know, I have a confession.
What's that?
You know, I haven't been following up this NIDS business. I hear the whole argument, but I really haven't been following it up.
So your homework is to read up on NIDS between now and the end of the year.
Yeah.
And see what side you're on.
Well, the greatest one is left for number 19. There you go. There you go.
Could it be further?
There you go. But I don't like how that look, because they might give you some high cheer.
Higher than the ones we have now?
No, it must say time for a
raise
of pay. Yeah, the raise thing by itself.
Pay raise.
Hold on, the great Richard send me a thing.
Okay.
Hold on, wait now. This might be number 20.
Can we go to IG?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Richard sent me how much money the artists get for Grammy.
Oh.
Forbes reports that performance and producers for at least 55% told the source that his producer fee. What?
All right.
This not them. Hold on now.
Can we go to IG while you? Can I go to IG while you read through that?
Please.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause this, me I try to work out.
This is IG or social? IG and Twitter, perhaps. Okay. Ms. Rockstar says Buju's concert clearly. And the ban on single-use plastic and styrofoam items.
Yeah, master empowerer mentor to see more of our young men standing out in a positive way and leading positive change.
I'm Just Peachy 19 says the completion of the road work, elimination and reduction in crime, especially heinous acts on our children.
Bejoy Salmon, a civil society where there is respect for all.
Okay. Bedward, K14. To see more opportunities for the poor and less crimes in our beautiful country.
Saudi 10, peace, less corruption, more employed young people, more Christians and worshipping of Christ rather than material things and wrongdoings, more love and prosperity.
Royal Coomsey says investment in the parish of St. Thomas. Well, Popcorn started that for you, youth. Yep. Building better roads, beginning the construction of the urban center, promotion of heritage tourism and new housing developments.
What's an urban center?
Urban's like a town center.
Like a plaza?
Like a town center, like you have Halfway Tree being a town center, Santa Cruz being a town center for St. Elizabeth.
All right. Pinky Kim Elliott, to be a better mom, friend and family person, employee and person to myself. Also to gain for myself positive things. I deserve them for Christ's sakes. You know, but I don't know if any Jamaican anywhere in life would leave out the fact that we just have too much crime.
Yes.
Too much violence.
Yes.
Too much murder.
Some of them said it.
Yeah. To me, boy, get rid of that. And, I mean, there are so many other things, but that one, when you start worrying about your life and all kind of thing.
And you know, it's been a really good year for Jamaica.
Yep.
Some good things.
Yep.
The Reggae Girlz,
yep.
the Rugby guys,
yep.
UNESCO recognizing Dalton Harris with, I mean, we've had some really good landmark milestone achievements this year, and to be thinking in the back of your mind about crime and all of that is, it's a shame.
I have to say, where things different, sometimes I feel like I just want to go outside, go sit down and just look by some car and that kind of thing. And you just feel safe, you know that you might be in trouble. I'm going to go for a break.
Sit down and look on some car.
Yeah, man.
Never wants the car one?
Yeah, I'll just watch some car. Soon come back.